Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add collaboration in Instagram after posting. So if you have created any picture with a lot of people and you would like to add all of them as collaborator, so I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So the first thing you have to do is open the Instagram app. Once the app gets open, then you just have to simply go to your profile, or in general, you just have to simply create a post. And once you have created a post where you have uploaded any picture from your profile or maybe anything that you would like to create as post, then you can just simply manage all of that, like adding captions and everything. Like you just have to simply first post the pictures or whatever anything it is. And once you have pasted it, then you can add the collaborators. Now once you see the post, you have to click onto the three dots and then you have to click on edit, and there along with your username you will see the option which is add collaboration. You can click onto it, then you can click on invite, and after that you just have to simply add the name or maybe the username of the people that you would like to add as collaborated. Once you add it, then you just have to simply click onto that tick from the top right corner, and after that it will be posted. Now the request is sent to that person, and now it's up to them if they would allow them to add as the collaborator or not. If they accept it, then you will also see their name along with your username. So that's how you can add collaboration in Instagram after posting. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.